Article 10, to see if the town will authorize the select board to pay a bonus of $500 each to the 3 road crew members, Tim, Richie, and Rob, as appreciation for their efforts in the repair of our roadways during and following the July storm.
The day of the storm, the day after, they were at the garage and out monitoring and dealing with the flooding situations 24 hours straight. They did not go home, they did not sleep, and they worked continuously through the summer trying to put the roads back together.
These guys were amazing, and everybody was affected by with mud and ice and you name it, and they were out there all the time.
Not only do we need to appreciate our gratitude about the flood damage and what they did, but since we've gone through 5 mud seasons this winter,
$500 seems like a small amount of money to express our appreciation, so glad to do that.
Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those opposed? Okay.